Hello everyone, it's Balázs here. In today's video, we will take a look at whether it's worth ordering accessories for an action cam from Temu. I have a DJI Osmo Action 4 camera and I've selected a few items that could be useful in everyday life, received good reviews and are more affordable compared to the official DJI accessories. First product is a camera lens protector cover made of soft rubber-like material. It fits well on the camera and I think this product does its job by protecting it from impacts in your bag or pocket. I believe it's worth the $2-3 price, especially considering that if you need to replace the lens protector, they charge $19 for it. Next is a versatile flexible camera mount with clip. I couldn't find anything like this among the original accessories, where the mounts for the DJI camera start around $30 to $40 in the DJI store. It's made of a strong material and seems durable enough. The screw fits perfectly into the 1/4 inch mount. The camera stays securely in place and it's simple yet effective at doing its job. At $5.35, I think it's worth buying. Next is an aluminum camera tripod mount adapter, which I ordered in blue. I couldn't find it sold separately in either the DJI or the GoPro shops. It's only available in the bundled package. It's high quality and very functional, and it's €2.72. I think it's definitely worth it. The next product is a screen protector tempered glass. The package includes 2 sets, and I have to say I'm not an expert to applying screen protectors, but I managed to put it on all 3 glass surfaces relatively easy. I think it's worth the €3.07 price for the double sets. The next item, and the most expensive on this list, is a portable storage case. I couldn't find a similar one in the DJI store, though comparable cases that start at around $30. This case is sturdy, with pre-cut EVA foam inside that holds the camera and the accessories securely, providing good protection for the contents. I think it's well worth the approximate €12 price. The last product is a 3-fold selfie stick tripod. I have to admit I was concerned about this item since several reviews mentioned that it's a weak made of plastic and can't even hold a GoPro. However, I found that if you tighten the adjustment screws well, it holds the camera adequately, though it's more suited for vlogging rather than extreme sports. The only downside is that the tripod legs at the bottom are slightly curved and made from very firm plastic. Honestly, it would have been better if they hadn't included them at all. Despite this, I think it's still worth buying for €7.25. Important to note, this video is not sponsored by Temu. I handpicked and purchased this item myself. While not even product is perfect, they are quite usable at this price with a few compromises. If you would like to see a similar pack in a specific category, let me know in the comments and I will test them if I can. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up or down. Have a great day. This was Balázs.